Good morning, everybody. My name is Crystal. I was woken up at 5 a.m. this morning. It's 25 to 6 at the moment. So at 5 a.m. I was woken up by the guy upstairs car alarm going off. And it was the guy upstairs car alarm. It was going off for minutes. So I was woken up out of my bed at 5 o'clock in the morning by this ear-piercing car alarm. If your car alarm had gone off and you thought someone had got into your car, you would go outside and check, wouldn't you? You'd go outside and check. Well, no, I believe he turned his car alarm off upstairs. He turned it off manually himself. He didn't go out to the car because this ear-piercing noise went off for minutes. It woke me out of my bed, and I thought, what the hell is that? What is it? And I couldn't see anyone outside. There was no one near his car, nothing at all. And it was ear-piercing. It's given me jaw pain and pain all down the side of my face. And I thought, why isn't whoever's car that is, why haven't they gone out to turn the car alarm off? And I thought, whose car is it? And then I went up to the window. I heard his feet moving upstairs. I heard his feet moving across the ceiling. And he must have turned it off from upstairs because he didn't go outside to the car. And I knew it was his car because orange lights flashed from his car over the road. And he'd left the alarm going for minutes. If you thought someone had got into your car, you'd have gone out immediately to turn that alarm off. He didn't. He turned it off from upstairs. Now I've got up, right, and I'm in my nightwear. Obviously I'm in my nightwear, and I went to the window to see what the hell was going on. There's a guy upstairs car going off. His car alarm going off. Woke me out of my bed. I've got jaw ache and everything. I reckon this is all planned. I've got an appointment with the dentist in a couple of weeks. The dentist. And my jaw's fucking burning. Thank God he didn't park his car outside my window. It was loud enough opposite. If he'd have parked that car outside my window, that would have really crippled me. The windows are shut. The windows are shut in here. They're shut. And it was ear piercing. The car alarm. By the way, I'm not mad. You can set your own car alarm off. You can. Obviously, to test it, you can set your own car alarm off. It was on for minutes. I've been woken up at 5 a.m. Well, it's strange how he gets up for work at 5 a.m. and the car alarm went off, isn't it? It's ear piercing. Ear piercing. I got up, I looked outside, I couldn't see anyone near his car. No one at all. I think he's done it himself. Why? I haven't got a clue. Because if you thought someone had done something to your car, you'd go right running out there and seeing what was going on. I'm a disabled woman. I'm not cross. I have now got earache. Thank you very much. I'm going to go. Much is left on the camera. Yes. He's gone out to the bin store. The guy's gone out to the bin store. He's rattled around in the bins. If you thought something was wrong with your car, would you not check it? He's got straight into that car, yeah? He's got straight into it. He hasn't checked that anyone's touched his car or anything. If you thought someone had interfered with your car, would you not check? Would you check it? Would you not check the car? Thank Christ that wasn't outside my window, and I had my window open because I would be in severe agony. Basically, my windows were shut and I was in the other room. So he would have woken me out of my bed with a fucking car alarm going off. And he'd have thought I'd have been angry. No, I'm not angry. I'm a disabled woman. I'm not cross. I've been woken up at 5 a.m. My ear is now thumping. It's thumping. There's nothing wrong with that car. You sat in there. And how do I know it was his car going off? Because I immediately got up. So there's nothing wrong with it, is there? Nothing wrong with his car. He'd set his own alarm off. 5 a.m. in the morning. Wow.